Hello there, it's your girl StaceNthePlace, and in this video we are going to talk about if you musk and if Winnie must act a fool because Tux is laying here next to her. So this beautiful little mist has fragrance notes of iris, pink pepper, and airy musk. It is absolutely adorable. I enjoy it. I am really into peppery scents as well, so this one was right up my alley. Now, I know. So I'm always like, oh, comparisons is the thief of joy. But there is a perfume that you could probably see right now that it is very similar and very, very close to. But first, we're going to get into the vibes. So with this little vibe, I was trying to give you like fresh pajamas, just like a nice subtle skin scent after you've just had a shower. So this, if you musk, it's definitely a dupe for Glossier You, like spot on. The pepperiness is there, the iris is there. I mean, if you sprayed both of your hands with this, it would be very hard to be able to tell which one is which. Now, will this perfume be a little bit stronger than the fragrance mist? It depends on how many times you've sprayed your arm to see. But if you were just like, are they the same? Exactly the same, for sure. Now, if you are interested in the scent and you don't have Glossier You for comparison, another scent that kind of gives a similar vibe, it's not the same, but it's the White Iris Cedarwood soap. If you picked up this soap and you enjoyed it after washing your hands and really like the scent, then I would highly recommend that you pick up If You Musk. It's something about the iris. I feel like people either love or kind of hate iris. So if you are an iris lover, I would recommend If You Musk to you. Let's see, what other goodies do I have over here? So I also have Missing Person by Phlur. It's a sample spray. And so I've been like playing with all of when I tell you guys, for like the past 48 hours, I have been acting a fool, spraying and smelling and trying all this different stuff. So this one, it has notes of skin musk, bergamot nectar, and sheer jasmine for the top. Fresh cyclamen, something like that. Neroli blossom, orange flower, and the base is sandalwood, Australia oil, blonde wood, and white musk. Would I say that these two are similar? Yes, I'm going to agree that they are similar. However, I feel like the Missing Person, it has a little bit more to it. It's almost as if like this one is a skin scent, but like if you need a little bit more oomph because your skin ain't skinning, then like you would probably spray this one on. But if you, I don't know, like if you just want a natural vibe and not so much as like extraness, then If You Musk is more of that avenue. I believe it's something about the neroli blossom, the orange flower, and the sandalwood in this one that gives it more of a smell. They're still going to be both in that similar, like, I smell good because I naturally just smell good, but you don't need to know that I sprayed on perfume. Like, they both give that vibe. It's just that with Missing Person, it's going to be a little bit easier for somebody or some hater to clock your tea and be like, I know she got something on. I know that's not how she naturally smells. Whereas If You Musk, I feel like you could probably pull it off. Like a real true hater, they gonna call you out regardless. But like for somebody, you just meeting people or, you're just chilling around the house and you just want to smell good. Just in case somebody rolls up and you want to smell good, just in case, If You Musk. So after that wild rendition, a lot of people I feel like are going to be wondering between If You Musk and musk, the differences between the two. So for musk, the scent notes are musk, mimosa flower, and rice milk, whereas this one, If You Musk, is iris, pink pepper, and airy musk. This musk is closer to the Jovan musk, if you have ever tried that perfume. Also, all those little perfume oils that they have in Ulta and stuff, and it's like musk. Like, this smells just like those. I would say that this also, okay, it doesn't smell exactly, if you remember this one, it doesn't exactly smell like JLo Glow, but I feel like this musk is very, like, they're in the same wheelhouse. They're in the same family. They're gonna roll up to the family reunion. They're gonna have a good time and then go on their separate ways. But like every family reunion, like they know each other. They're cool. They sit at the same table. Also with this musk, I would say this one is, oh yeah, Juliette. Juliette has a, and not a perfume. This one is also kind of similar to this musk scent, and the musk number 12, well, Musk 12 by Kayali is also very similar to this musk scent. So I think a lot of the, not a lot of the issues, but a lot of the thoughts, because this is called If You Musk, it's going to be easy to kind of like think that these two are supposed to be each other. This one is just purely, it smells like musk. This one, it smells like skin, but better. Think like clean, reserved skin. Think Glossier You, your skin, but better. And this one is just authentically smelling like musk, because there's a difference. But hopefully with that, I didn't confuse anyone. Do you need both of them? I think it just depends on it, like what are you looking for? If you like skin scents, I would say go ahead and pick up both of them. If you are trying to choose between the two, if you truly love musk and you know what musk smells like to you, as I keep saying musk, I feel like at this point we should count how many times I've actually said musk in this video, then I would lean more towards this one. If you like a peppery kind of scent, if you like Glossier You, if you like to smell like you want other people to smell you and smell like, oh wow, like she or he smells really nice, like they just naturally smell that good, then it's going to be If You Musk. And this one, I would even say that this one could be unisex as well, but it's a very nice scent. If I had to choose between the two, which one, Winnie, which one would I choose? If I had to choose between both and I could only get one, I think, sorry, I don't know why I popped my lips like that. I guess I was trying to buy myself time. I think I'm gonna go with If You Musk, because I really enjoy Glossier You. I love scents that I can just spray on, not even think about it, don't even have to worry about like, will people like it or not. And also I like the pepperiness in this one. I enjoy musk, but if you're making me choose between the two, it's gonna be If You Musk for me, because I already have some musk scents. So adding another musk, like it wouldn't be the top of my list. So If You Musk and I musk. But if you can do both, I say go for both. This one is regular $18.98, so definitely pick it up during a sale. This one is $16.95, so this one you can actually pick up with a reward. So if you have a reward, you can just get this one for free, and then this one, you know, you just catch it on a sale. Boom, bam, thank you, ma'am. And so with that, I hope that it was helpful. Please take a hot second to subscribe so you can be here for the next fragrance that we will go over. And I hope that this helps you in your decision making of whether or not you will be purchasing If You Musk. I think you must, but that's just me. And anyhow, we will catch you in the next video. Bye.